Exciting news for content creators on Instagram. Instagram subscriptions, which allow creators to monetize by offering exclusive content to paid subscribers, are now expanding to 10 additional countries. These subscriber-only benefits include exclusive posts, stories, reels, and live broadcasts, giving creators more opportunities to engage with their loyal audience. Instagram subscriptions had a slow start, originally known as exclusive stories. After Twitter introduced its Super Follow feature, Instagram followed a similar path, developing the exclusive stories function. The feature, later branded as Instagram subscriptions, was tested in the US about a year ago and is now being rolled out to the following countries: Australia, Brazil, Canada, France, Germany, Italy, Japan, Mexico, Spain, and the United Kingdom. The rollout will be gradual, taking place over the next few weeks, with more countries expected to get access in the coming months. Eligible creators can enjoy various subscriber features, including subscriber posts, stories, reels, and live broadcasts. Exclusive stories will be automatically saved to a highlight visible only to subscribers, ensuring they never miss out. Creators can also provide special access or information in subscriber-only channels and use subscriber badges to identify and prioritize interactions with subscribers. To be eligible for Instagram subscriptions, creators need to adhere to monetization policies, focusing on complying with community guidelines and avoiding engagement bait. Certain prohibited categories include misinformation, misleading medical information, drugs, and unoriginal content. Videos must be genuine and not fall into the banned formats like static videos or looping videos. If you're a content creator eager to explore Instagram subscriptions, make sure you have the latest version of the app and check in your professional dashboard under your tools to see if the subscriptions option is available. Don't miss out on this exciting opportunity to engage with your audience on a whole new level with Instagram subscriptions. Update your app and explore the possibilities today.